All right, we're here with Coach Theodore Whitmore, head coach here at Mount Pleasant. Second game that your team has scored 5 goals. This is historic. First game of a new year. You start out with an emphatic win. I mean, some very, very good goals, very good football. The fans were delighted, not just in the goal and the victory, but how the team played. What are some of the things that is contributing to this consistent play of the Mount Pleasant team?
Well, again, I think we have to first and foremost the staff, the technical staff we have at Mount Pleasant. You know, again, the players, because it's difficult to really get these players in camp for the Christmas and New Year holiday, and they have been working 110% during this holiday, and such. You would have seen the result in the last 2 games we played.
How difficult it is to help the team to remain disciplined, because you conceded a goal, I thought, against the run of play. I mean, it's a penalty. I mean, you know, how do you keep the team focused? You know, leading like that you don't make silly mistakes. You know, like that, because these things can probably repeat themselves in more important games. What do you have to say to the team to ensure that they keep that edge right throughout, even with a massive lead like you had?
Well, at the end of the day, there's not much you can say to the team. If you look at how we conceded the goal, it's questionable, but again, it's the referee decision. You have to respect his decision. So there's not much. I think the team, they work hard enough. They work into one objective, and the camaraderie and everything you could have seen it over the last 2 games.
And then you are the hunted now, because you sit atop the table, 8 games, not tasted defeat. I mean, everybody want to beat Mount Pleasant. This has been the pattern of the league. I mean, does that motivate you and motivate the team? And how do you, moving from this game now, continue to keep the team sharp and prepared, going ahead, keeping everybody happy, because the team is winning, but you still have lots of quality on the bench. How you keep everybody happy, knowing that you are the hunted in the league?
Well, as again I say, it's one objective. You know, and all the players, all the technical staff, the backroom staff, everyone understand. We are not in this league to play, to concentrate on who want to beat us. You understand? We are here to win every game. We are here to give a good performance every game, each time we go out on the pitch. So, well, if any team come and play us and beat us, you just have to shake there and we come again.
I want to say a big thank you, Coach Theodore Whitmore, for speaking to us, and all the best for the rest of the year. Good start to the season. And the biggest thing is that the fans are happy, the team is happy, the coach is happy, the management is happy. It's the best way to start the new year. So all the best for the rest of the season, and thank you again, Coach Theodore Whitmore.
All right, thanks, and same to you. All right.